Welcome to the video tutorial for AHV permits in DOB Now Build. You need to request an AHV permit if you're doing work before 7 a.m. but after 6 p.m. or on the weekend. It could only be requested by the licensed master plumber, fire suppression contractor, or general contractor that was listed on the initial permit. We ask that you make this application at least 2 days before your first intended workday. It's also important to remember that the scope of the AHV permit must be related to the scope of work of the specific work permit. Now let's begin. To create an AHV, select Plus Permits and select AHV. A notification window displays to enter up to 5 job numbers. Users can also submit requests for biz jobs. However, one of the jobs must consist of a DOB Now build job filing. So I'm just going to type out that number and then click Check Records. Use the checkbox to select up to 5 permits and click Submit to begin your AHV request. The system will then display the permit form requesting the following information: main point of contact, reason for variance, insurance information, dates and times for the variance, description of work, and then the applicant or contractor will certify the request. So I'm actually going to demonstrate how this is done. So I'm entering my name, my email address, and then I'm going to move on to add the variance information, which you can select from the drop-down list. I'm going to toggle the radio buttons to yes or no for the required questions. And as I move down, this is how you have to enter the date and times that you need the AHV for. Now pay attention to the time format being entered. For example, it's 04:00 and then AM or PM. So I'm going to just do that for my 2 selected dates. And then I'm going to move down to the description of work box to enter the details for my AHV permit. I'm now going to scroll down to the applicant or contractor statement and select that checkbox in order to save and then submit the AHV request. So yes, I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to hit submit. That notification window would pop up to show me that it was submitted. So as you see here on my AHV dashboard, it says pending QA assignment. And I'm going to now refresh so you can see what it looks like when it's approved or issued. Once the permit is approved or issued, double click to reopen the job filing in order to pay the AHV daily fee and then print your work permit. Payment process did not change, so I'm not going to do that in this demo. Now I'm going to take you to the dashboard where you can print that AHV permit. You would look for the AHV permit that was issued and then select Print AHV Permit from the Filing Action column. Just a good to know, you can also renew the AHV permit there as well. The system will then prompt you to confirm you'd like to print the permit, and then it opens in a preview format. Print to PDF and then open the file that was downloaded, and then your printer settings would be displayed on the screen. This was the video tutorial for requesting and printing AHV permits in DOB Now Build.